Today, we're making a creamy, delicious shrimp Alfredo pasta. This is better than your favorite restaurant. It's creamy, it's flavorful, and it's done in less than 30 minutes. Let's get into it. First, let's boil the pasta. The pasta I'm using is fettuccine. I'm going to add that in, going in with a little bit of salt. Now we're going to cover it and allow it to boil. While the pasta's boiling, I'm going to pat dry my shrimp. Next, I'm going in with some oil. Then we're going in with the seasoning. I'm going to mix it before I add it. Sprinkle it all over. I'm gonna save some for later to season the sauce. Just a little bit should do it. Mix it up. Now you don't need a lot when it comes to shrimp. The seasoning doesn't have to be too overpowering. And just like that, your shrimp is nicely seasoned. It's time to pan sear the shrimp. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. Next, I'm going in with the shrimp. I'm gonna give it a nice, beautiful color. Yes, I'm using a lot of shrimp. I love a lot of shrimp in my pasta. We're going to let that pan seared for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's time to flip the shrimp over. It's looking good. It's smelling amazing. Ooh, yes. It's gonna let it go for another 2 minutes. Now we're going to remove the shrimp. We're going to set it aside for now. Next, we're going to add a little bit of oil, not too much. Next, we're going in with some butter. It's a little hot. Also, I'm adding some chopped onion. It's a little hot, but it's fine. All this is flavor right there. I'm going in with some garlic, minced garlic. Smelling so good. Now, to make Alfredo sauce, you need a little bit of flour. So I'm going in with about a teaspoon of flour. Fry it up. Just like this to remove the raw flour taste. You gotta fry it, okay? Once you're done, grab your heavy whipping cream. Slowly pour that in. Slowly pour that in, okay? Slowly pour it in. And the flour is going to make it nice and thick. Give you that thick consistency so the sauce can cling on the pasta, okay? Now let's season this. I'm adding the remaining of the seasoning that I had. We're going to allow this to come to a simmer. I'm adding a little bit of fresh parsley. Let it come to a simmer, then we'll add our pasta and some cheese. Actually, let's add the cheese now. Next, we're going in with some Parmesan cheese. Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Good amount, looking good. Now we're going to add our pasta right in, okay? Just like this. Turn it down now. Pasta going in. Ooh, this is nice and creamy. Now I'm going in with my shrimp. I'm adding some of the shrimp, not all. Ooh. All this sauce, I'm just going to pour it. That looks amazing. Let's add some more. That looks amazing, okay? That looks really delicious. Your pasta is done. Creamy, delicious. Ooh, Alfredo pasta. Now let's plate it, okay? Because I'm hungry. I haven't even tried it yet. My 4-year-old rated this a 10 out of 10. Eli, what do you rate the food? 10 out of 10. Let's give it a try. This is so good. When was the last time you had a good Alfredo pasta? Today is your day. Try this out. It's so bomb. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, leave a comment. Let me know if you're going to try this out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.